Wait. Before y'all click off, look at this FM merch. Anyways, this is a blooper video, kind of a different thing. Okay, because sometimes I don't feel like editing forever. And then sometimes I want y'all to see when I screw up, because I'm not perfect. And making these shorts are not easy. Y'all will realize I'll repeat myself a lot. I'll re-record stuff. And I'll change up my wording. And sometimes things just don't go as I planned. But that's fine. That's why we edit. And that's how we bring y'all this content that we bring y'all. Okay? I mean, we're not perfect mechanics and we're not perfect YouTubers. Fuck. Have a, what is this? It's a Rouge. Okay, I got a 2015-ish Rouge all-wheel drive unit right there. Y'all can see that it comes all the way back to here. Now I did somebody kept tagging me in a video about one making a noise back here. Guys, this is one complete unit. If there's a noise back here, guess what? It's getting replaced. Anyways, so I had the pleasure, no, not pleasure, but I did recommend control arms because the bushings are separating. As you can see that on both sides. I mean, look at back here. It's all the way through. But then I noticed this over here. Oh, and I recommended transfer case reseal because of that, which requires me to drop the subframe and do all this stuff, right? But then I seen this, and I'm like, what did I just do? I'd still have to align it, but the subframe, will I be able to align it? Oh man, I don't know. And I have to drop the subframe also to get that transfer case out. Ooh, I think I put myself in a predicament, guys, that I don't know how to get out of. What would y'all do?
Now, as you can tell, I'm voicing over this. So this was, that big D mass airflow sensor. Okay, I recorded this and I forgot to turn my microphone on. This happens so often, guys. I forget to turn it on and I forget to pair it. I don't know. Sometimes my Bluetooth kind of dies. Okay, so I was pointing out the mass airflow and then I pointed out the EFI solution that we needed to use. And then, watch, check this out. Okay, mass airflow, right? It's the OEM one. Then I'll grab the throttle body here in a second. Grab it. Oh, wait, hold on. Mass airflow again. Let's go. And then I had a little assistance. Look, okay, I'm holding the phone. Y'all see 3 hands? Look. Okay, we had to reenact this all over again. That was completely natural. Then when I told him that, oh, dude, I forgot to freaking turn on my Bluetooth, he said, all right, let me know when you're ready. I'll do that again. I said, bro, you are a goat. Okay, because that little swipe made that video just a little bit better. A lot of times, these things are not planned out. Sometimes I have to think about what I'm going to say. Sometimes they're just straight off the dome. And this one was straight off the dome, and I put no effort into this one. But now sometimes I have to record myself, and I forget what I said.
I'm sure y'all remember this mass airflow. You remember it had a big old D for a Duralast. Well, the code came back, one code. Okay, previously it was because there was so many codes stored due to that aftermarket mass airflow. I did a program. I recommended an EFI because, guys, if y'all look at this throttle body, oh goodness, look at that. Look at all that grime on there. Guys, this will in fact throw a PO1 also. I always recommend an EFI when I do a mass airflow because of that issue, because it sets. These two have to be in correlation with each other. People will tell me I'm wrong, but I've been doing this long enough to where I already know. I've been burnt several times. Now this did cause me a comeback because, like I said, did recommend an EFI. This isn't just an upsell, guys. This is to help repair or fix this issue. As y'all can see, that throttle body is very, very dirty. Again, I'm not just upselling this just to upsell it to try to make some money. I'm upselling this because I already know the issue that comes with dirty throttle body. So if somebody recommends an EFI, it's pretty obvious you need to get it done. So y'all saw last video why this code came back. Not too happy about it, but it happens. Okay, customers try to do what they can, the cheapest they can, and you know, and sometimes they could get away with it, sometimes not so much. And this customer, well, we have to actually perform the throttle body cleaning, and we're going to do an EFI as it's a package deal. So I'll clean this dirty, nasty throttle body, as y'all saw right there. I'm going to show y'all how it looks after I use this. And then after the throttle body is cleaned up, that's what it should look like through and through. Now if I can get this opened up, guys, I am going to perform a idle relearn. Oh dear, it looks like I missed a little bit. So yeah, I'll finish getting this cleaned up, perform the idle relearn, and do the EFI, running this stuff through the injectors to clean them out, and the valves. And then this will continue the cleaning process as we pour it in the tank. So this service is pretty important, guys. So this service right here, guys, all three parts of these are very important when it comes to maintaining your vehicle. Okay, let's do this. I got kind of like this chirping while rolling. Look at this. Not sure if you're able to pick it up, but let's get it in the air and see what we find. But before that, let's take a look and a gander. Oh, whoa! Them control arms those bushings are done. Yeah, I think I need to recommend those. Right? Now, I'm chasing after this because it's aftermarket and that's not lined up. And yeah, I think that's our noise. That's going to be our noise. But we have a whole bunch of other issues going on with this vehicle than to worry about a little squeak. Going for, what are y'all doing? Replacing or rebooting? I mean, Nissan doesn't offer the boot by itself that I know of. Never. Just replace the whole thing, right? And do an alignment. Going back to this. And then that's the driver's side. God, yep, that'll cause a lot of noise. But squeaking while driving? Oh, it's right here. Wait. That's gonna be our squeaking while driving. Can't make it happen right now, but and then squeaking while driving, well, so I don't know, should I tell the customer about this? They probably already know, but I am definitely going to tell them about their suspension issues and everything that this vehicle is needed at 100,000 miles. Did y'all like that? If y'all liked it, make sure y'all let me know. Like, comment, subscribe down below. If y'all did like this, I'll probably continue to keep doing this. And if not, should I make this an only members only type deal? Let me know down below.